In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the font of the axis labels different colors in an Excel chart. Start with your chart visible in Excel. Move your cursor anywhere over the chart and right-click. This brings up a quick menu that lets you jump straight into formatting without digging through ribbons. It doesn't matter if you right-click the plot area or a blank spot in the chart. The goal is simply to open the formatting tools for the chart you're working on. From that menu, choose Format Chart Area. Excel opens a formatting pane on the right side of your screen. This pane is dynamic, which means it reacts to whatever chart element is selected. Keep an eye on the title at the top of the pane. It should indicate the object you're about to change. For changing axis label colors, make sure you're focused on the axis labels you want to style so your changes affect the right text. In the formatting pane, switch to Text Options. You're looking for the section dedicated to text settings, often represented by an icon with a small letter. This is different from the shape or fill settings for boxes and borders. Text Options is where you control how the letters themselves look, things like color, transparency, and outlines. Within Text Options, go to Text, Fill, and Outline, then click Color. This is the control that directly sets the font color for the selected labels. When you open the color picker, you'll see theme colors, standard colors, and a more colors option if you need a precise shade. Pick something that has enough contrast against your chart background so the labels remain easy to read. As soon as you choose a color, Excel applies it immediately to the selected axis labels. If your goal is to make each axis a different color, first apply your chosen color to one axis, then repeat the same process for the other axis so you can give it a distinct color as well. If you don't see the change, double-check that the axis labels you intended to format are actually selected in the Formatting pane's heading before choosing a color. A few quick tips to finish up. Theme colors help keep your chart consistent with your workbook's design, and high contrast choices improve accessibility and printing. If you change your mind, use Undo or set the color back to Automatic to return to Excel's default. And remember, subtle, purposeful colors guide attention without overwhelming your data. That's it. Right-click the chart, open Format Chart Area, go to Text Options, choose Color, and pick the shades you want for each axis. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!